Okay, so now you know what Bitcoin is and how it works. But who came up with this brilliant idea? Well, we don't know. And it's not even a joke. Or not entirely. Satoshi Nakamoto. This is the pseudonym used by an unknown person or group of people who designed Bitcoin. According to the history of Bitcoin, on October 31st, 2008, Satoshi Nakamoto posted a 9-page white paper. In it, a mention of a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. That was the debut of Bitcoin. The first transaction worth 50 Bitcoin was sent to Hal Finney, a developer and pioneer cryptographer. It doesn't seem like Satoshi Nakamoto will reveal his, hers, or its identity. Anonymity provides the 3 Ps: privacy, protection, and peace. 3 things that appeal to the owner of 1 million Bitcoins. And is that such a bad thing? We can't say exactly, but beyond solving a long-lasting mystery, experts agree that discovering the true identity of Satoshi Nakamoto could have an immense impact on Bitcoin's economics and internal politics. Well, there you have it. In the next course, we'll be taking a look at how Satoshi was adopted as a term. If you're looking for a more advanced explanation, enroll now and gain access to all the educational resources available on our platform.